everyone. Today in this session, we'll learn how to generate test coverage report in Eclipse IDE. So let's start writing Java program in Eclipse. First, we have to launch Eclipse IDE. Here in Eclipse IDE, I have created Java project called test coverage. In this project, created package called com.testcoverage. Inside this package, created class called source code. So in this main method, we'll write system.out.println finding division of number. So next we'll create a method called public void division. So here we'll write int number 1 is equal to 40 semicolon, int number 2 is equal to 20, then int result is equal to number 1 divided by number 2. Then we'll write if condition. If result is equal to 0, then print result value is 0. Once again write one more print statement. System.out.println result value is plus result. So now this will be the source code. For this source code, we have to write test script. So how to write that? So again go to test coverage project. Inside this create one more new package. Here we'll give name for the package com.testpackage. Then click finish. So next inside this test package, create one more Java class. So we'll give name for this class as test script. Then click finish. So now test script class has created. In this test script class, we'll make use of annotations, that is @test. Inside this @test, we'll create a method called public void test. So for this @test annotations, we are getting error because we have not added testng library. Now we have to add testng library. So now testng library got added to the project. So next we have to import this @test from the testng. So next what we have to do? We have to call the methods which are in the source code class file by creating object, that is source code. So import this source code from the test coverage project. So next through this object, that is obj, we'll call the methods of source code class. For source code class file, the method is division. We'll copy this method and we'll go to testscript.java file and here we'll write obj.division method. Next we'll run this test script, right click and here select option run as testng test. So in console we are getting the output, that is result value is 2. That is 40 divided by 20, the value is 2 and test is passed. Here test run is 1, failures is 0 and skips is 0. And also it is showing total number of tests, that is 1, that is passed, failures 0 and skips 0. Here in one more tab, we'll get the results of running class test script. Next we have to generate test coverage report for this code. How to do that? Here you can see the option help. Click on this and next go to Eclipse Marketplace. In search box type ECL IMA. It is a free Java code coverage tool for Eclipse. Then click on this install. Then accept the license and click finish. Next it will ask you to restart Eclipse IDE. Then click on this, click on restart now. So after installing the plugin, just right click on test script and here select option coverage has testng test. In test script, for some code lines color changed. Then go to source code. Here you can see the different colors for each line of code. Here green color indicates fully covered lines of code and yellow color indicates partially covered lines of code. There may be some branches and red color indicates lines that have not been executed at all. So next we'll extend this test coverage project in the coverage tab. Here you can see the percentage of test coverage for the particular line of code. If you want to send this test coverage report to the reporting person, right click and select here option export session. Here there are two options. One is format and another one is destination. Here I'll be saving in XML file. Then you can save the test coverage report file. Then click finish. So this will be the test coverage report. This is how we can generate test coverage report.